Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jason Foster again, and hope you're doing really well today. Now, if you are watching this video right now, most likely you're looking to start your business doing Amazon FBA, and you saw this product out there by Travis Marziani. It's called Passion Product Formula. So maybe you're looking for a Passion Product Formula review, and you want to learn more about the product before you actually go ahead and join the course. Now, I'm actually going to give you a full in-depth review so you can actually learn what's included inside of the course. You're going to also learn the pros and the cons, the pricing. And I'm also going to provide you an alternative that I think is a much better training and a much better model of selling on Amazon that you can look into for yourself and do some comparisons. All right. Now, when I'm doing reviews on this channel, I usually like to tell you more about the person who is behind the course. Now, Travis Marziani is a great guy, first of all, you know, because let me tell you right now, when it comes to e-commerce training, usually you find a lot of gurus on Amazon, a lot of fake gurus that you will see them in front of rented mansions and rented Lamborghinis, and they're selling you a lifestyle and a dream when in fact they're living a nightmare. So when I basically did some more research into Travis, I see that he's one of the good guys out there, okay? His channel has a lot of value-filled content and is real authentic. You know, when you consume his content, you'll also see that he basically bashes the fake gurus as well. And, you know, this is something good in the marketplace because I like to see people who are credible, people who are trusted, and Travis is a good guy. He creates a lot of very, very good videos, as I told you, and he has a lot of subscribers as well. At the time of me doing this video, over 110,000 subscribers. So he's pretty credible in the e-commerce space, and this may be someone you want to learn from. But now I'm going to actually get into the course content and everything you need to know about the Passion Product Formula. And by the way, my friend, if you find any value, go ahead, like the video, share the video as well, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. My name is Jason Foster again. All right, so first, let's jump into what this will entail. You're going to get 9 modules included inside of this course. And just so you know, there's also a 10th module basically, but it's basically like an overview, but I'm going to get into that. But so the price to join at this moment is $997. All right. Now, interestingly though, there's a refund policy, which I've never actually seen a refund policy like how Travis actually structure is. He has a 365 days refund policy. Now, with this refund policy is basically you going through the entire course. Okay, so you have to consume the entire course before you actually have this 365 days refund policy. Basically, you get back all of your money if you want to. Okay, so basically it's like basically you put in some money inside of it, and if you want to take out, for example, $400 back or $300 back, you can do that. You know, it's a very kind refund policy. I've never seen anything like that. Now, another part of the refund policy is that there's also a 30-day refund policy, right? So if you, for example, come through the course and you don't consume the course, okay, you can get 30-day refund policy, which is pretty good as well, you know. So I think that's pretty awesome when it comes to this course. All right, now, as I mentioned, there's going to be an introduction, and the introduction is basically strategies that you'll be using to sell on Amazon. Okay, you're going to also get some goal setting books. He's going to recommend some goal setting books for you, so it keeps you on track when it comes to building up your business on Amazon. Okay, now in module 1, this is where you create an idea for the product. Okay, so ideas you need, you can choose profitable products. It's going to teach you how you can actually choose profitable products on the marketplace, so you can go out there on Amazon and actually sell in a more, you know, profitable manner, right? Now in module 2, this is where you validate your idea. Okay, so you're actually going to learn how to test your product to make sure that it works. Okay, and he's also going to provide you a 100-point product validation template. So what this is like a checklist of things that you need to have, you know, like some criteria, basically 100 criteria that you need to check off to say, okay, this is a good product. Okay, so this is really good in module 2. Okay, let's get into module 3. Module 3 is about creating your brand, and you know, this goes into building your audience and creating product that customers will seek out, okay? In module 4, it's about creating fans, specifically on social media, right? So it's going to show you how to build a social media fan base, and it's going to also show you how to scale your product. Okay, so that's basically, you know, when you're on a social media platform, you're going to learn how you can scale a product. You know, you're going to get fans, and you know, this is really, really powerful because you're going to get people who already know your brand, okay, and they'll be able to buy more from you. And this is how you scale up your product as well, right? Now, in module 5, this is where you create your business. And as you know, this is selling on Amazon, right? So it's going to show you strategies you can use to hire your virtual assistants. So you can go to places like onlinejobs.ph. It's a Filipino website. It's going to teach you how to find those virtual assistants. He's also going to show you how to avoid legal issues that may come up when it comes to creating your business, okay? So this is really good as well. Now, in module 6, he goes into crowdfund, okay? So he teaches you how to create a Kickstarter account. This is where you basically get people to fund you, and you get money to buy your products, actually, okay, to get your products created, because this is what he's actually teaching you to do. So he's going to teach you how to create a Kickstarter account, and he's going to show you also how to find influencers and blogs that you can reach out to kind of bring more eyeballs on those products that you create for yourself, okay? Now, module 7 is about production, okay? So this is where you contact the manufacturers in China. You know, you're going to reach out to Alibaba. That's a big, big marketplace in China. He's going to show you how to negotiate the best rates as well. And he's also going to point out, you know, problems that you may encounter when it comes to manufacturers, right? So, you know, when it comes to dealing with manufacturers in China, there are some problems you need to know about. He's actually going to show you those and how to combat those, all right? Now, in module 8, which goes into the Amazon launch, this is where he teaches you how to do keyword research, which is very important when having your products on Amazon. You're going to learn a little bit about search engine optimization. And as you know, Amazon is actually a search engine as well. It's the biggest search engine for products in the world. So people are going to come to Amazon, type in whatever product they're looking for. He's going to show you how you can basically have your product show up when people search for the particular keyword, okay? And he's going to show you how to create your seller's account and also how to increase sales as your business grows, all right? Now, module 9 is actually the last module. All right, and this is a bonus Shopify strategy that he actually shows you, because this is about creating leverage for your brand, okay? So Shopify is a different platform from Amazon, but a lot of people use Shopify, specifically drop shippers, to grow their business, you know, so it teaches you how to actually go on Shopify to also sell products, which is pretty good as well, right? Now, you should also know about some extra content that he also has. Okay, there's a live question and answer calls that, you know, it comes on live and you can ask any questions you have. And he's going to be there answering as well. And he also has partners who works along with him. So they're going to collaborate and help you to basically get your questions answers. Okay, now mastermind group is also included there. This is always good to have a mastermind group when you're doing any business model. You need to have a group of people who are already experienced, already in the trenches doing the stuff. So, you know, you actually get a mastermind group, which is really, really good. Now, we also provide some worksheets and checklists for you as well, which helps you out as you grow your business on Amazon, okay? Now, I want to also let you know that he's also very kind when it comes to his course. Now, his course is $997. Now, he also includes some of his previous courses inside of that, which has to do with Google Ads. This is previously sold for $147. He includes this inside of his course, which is pretty crazy, right? He also includes the Facebook ads course that he has. It's $197. So you get that inside of his main course, okay? He also has a Shopify course for $197. You know, you don't pay that, but these are included, okay? Now, there's also a YouTube course, which basically shows you how to market on YouTube as well. You know, so these are some pretty good value, pretty good bonuses that you actually get if you decide to get his Passion Product Formula course. All right. Now, I want to go into pros and cons for you as well. So we keep this very unbiased so you know exactly what's going on with this course. Okay. Now, the pros that I see with his course, basically, it's a really good training teaching you how to sell on Amazon. Okay. Just understand, again, many fake gurus are out there selling bad information. And, you know, Travis is one of the good guys. So, you know, there's a good training there for you. The refund policy is also good. I've never seen a refund policy so great before. You know, you can get the course for free if you want, you know, so it's there as a big pro. Okay. And as you might guess, Travis is a legitimate and competent teacher when it comes to doing your business on Amazon. You know, he's a pretty good guy out there. You know, I like that. All right. Now let's get into the negative part of this thing. Okay. Now the cons basically. Now with Amazon FBA, I've been online since 2014 and I've tried this business model myself. Okay. It's a technical business model. Okay. And the way how Travis is actually teaching you is that he's teaching you how to create your own passion product. Okay. So you're going to go out there, reach out to people in China, and you're going to tell them to build something for you, you know, your own brand. Okay. Now it's technical. It's the most technical business model that I've seen. I've seen better business models online, and I actually want to share with you as well so you can learn. All right. Now, also, you create your own product, as I mentioned, right? Now, when you create your own product, there's going to be a very high emotional connection to that product. You know, so usually when people create their own product, you know, it's like you can't let go from that product. If something bad happens, it can drain you emotionally. I've seen that happen with a lot of people. So I just want to share that as another con inside of this, okay? Now, that's basically what it is when it comes to Passion Product Formula, a good course by Travis Marziani, okay? Now, I want to actually show you an alternative to this as well, so you can go out there in the marketplace and kind of, you know, make some comparisons for yourself as a smart individual who choose to, you know, do your research before you actually purchase products online, okay? Now, I see this as the top alternative to selling on Amazon. Basically, when it comes to selling on Amazon, there are different ways. There's going to be private label, creating your own product, okay? But this way that I see, I've never seen such a brilliant way before, okay? Now, this is the top alternative that I see out there. This is from a guy named Bo Crabble, okay? He has a very unique way of selling on Amazon. He has been selling on Amazon since he was like 9 to 12 years old, okay? He has big experience with Amazon. Now, he created this course. It's basically the same price as Travis's course. But what he's teaching, he's not teaching anything about you creating a product, doing any private label, doing any online arbitrage or anything like that. It's basically showing you how to find products, name brand products, which are actually already selling on Amazon. Okay. Those are selling the most on Amazon. And he's teaching you how to find suppliers in the United States, in Canada, UK, also New Zealand, Australia, right? And he's showing you how you can actually go out there, get the suppliers, buy those products from them, get them listed on Amazon, okay? So you don't have to wait a lot of time for your products to be created. They're already created. They're already selling on Amazon in huge quantities, okay? And he's showing you the process of doing it. Really brilliant way of selling on Amazon, this guy. As you see, entrepreneur since birth, right? Now, he also has a free book on this page. I'm going to put a link right down in the description here so you can click on it, go over to this page, see exactly what he's teaching you, read up on it. You go ahead and make some comparisons for yourself. I think this is a much better way of selling on Amazon, okay? I've seen different methods, and this is the best way that I see out there. So go out there, check out this page. There's a free book that you can get called Secrets to Selling on Amazon. So you can grab this free book for yourself. All you need to do is pay for the shipping and the handling, okay? And get this information. I think this is vital information for you who wants to actually learn to sell on Amazon successfully. So you want to be linked up with the best people who's actually doing it, okay? and learn from them. Okay, so I would suggest you look into this as well. But if you choose to, basically learn from Travis yourself, he's a competent teacher, you can do it. It's up to you if you want to go ahead. But I think this is a much more difficult way of selling on Amazon. Okay, I've seen all these different strategies. This can work, but it's difficult. I just have to let you know, honestly, it's difficult. This is a much easier method. So check out Bo Crabble's course and you'll be happy that you did. And actually, if you check it out, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Check it out and let me know your views. Feel free to come through and leave your comments as well. We want to make this be very, very educational for people out there looking to sell on Amazon. And we want to teach you the best methods of actually earning money online, okay? Now, this is Jason Foster again. If you find the video informative and helpful, go ahead and like the video. And also share the video with someone else who may be looking for some passion product formula review here on Amazon, okay? Thank you again, my friend, for taking your time to watch the video. This is Jason Foster. I look forward to connecting with you and looking forward to seeing you have good success online. Take care. I'll see you in the next video.